Guys, welcome to our channel. It's 5 6:35 na ng hapon, ng gabi pala dito guys sa Amerika. And then sa labas guys, ang weather is makulimlim, very cloudy, then super windy, mahangin. Tapos na rin kami nag-dinner guys, katatapos ko lang din nagpilo-pilo ng mga nilaban. Then, meron pa akong loads dun sa baba para mamaya mga towels na lang yun. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Kiset up ito ni TJ. What you call that TJ? Choo-choo train. Train set guys. Yan. So, yan guys. Makalat yung ano namin, yung isang room namin dito sa front, sa back door. Pero mamaya, mag-clean up. You're gonna clean up later, right? Okay. Go sit over there, another side, T. Ano yan siya, guys? Binigay sa akin ni Ate Maylin. Shoutout kay Ate Maylin.
So this is the train, the fast train, and this is the slow train. What?
Ano siya guys, binigay siya sa akin ni Ate Maylin nung so 7 na ngayon si TJ, bali siguro 3 years old pa si TJ. Then ngayon niya lang napagtuunan ng pansin na laruin kasi ano, yung usually guys, yung ano, may table siya doon, no? Ewan anong tawag yan, basta ang tawag ko is train table. Tapos kitambak ni TJ ng mga laruan niya. Ayun, nakita nyo naman, tambak ang mga laruan. Kaya ayan, dito siya nag-set up sa floor.
This is
Yeah, merong ano, marami pa yan guys, marami pang mga ano yan, kasi ang binigay sa akin ni ate, the whole set with the table. Ako nag-set up yung table. So, ang ginawa ni TJ, pinatungan niya ng kanyang mga laruan. Pinakuha niya sa taas. Nilalagay ko sa taas, doon sa ano namin, sa isang floor. Tapos, ibaba niya na naman. Kaya natambay dyan lahat ng laruan. Ano siya guys, naglaro na siya. Choo-choo train. Ipalabas niya guys. Okay, go around, go around.
can't move this. Why is it not moving?
It's stuck. Too much. Yan guys, oh yan. Yan may mga ganyan.
Wait again, I know why.
Train.
Wait. Because this thing, the road needs fix. Quack quack.
The road need fix.
Yeah, but
What
this thing
happened
not
to the road?
connect better.
Yan, kalat siya guys.
There's a. Oh, here's one.
Pero mamaya ayusin mo. Oh, you find one?
Yeah.
You found one?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe there's still a lot flat over there. Minsan guys, mekaniko siya. Minsan siraniko naman siya.
Done. This is the last train. Look, here's coming.
Maaga kami kumakain ngayon guys ng dinner dahil minsan kasi si Anakis makatulog siya sa upuan kung saan siya nakahiga mag-iPad, kaya mahirap nagisingin kapag malate na maka-dinner, kaya ayun.
This is broken. Okay?
There garbage train there?
Yeah. This is the fixer man goes over here.
Pero mamaya mag-ayos man yan siya.
Look.
Mhm.
And that's his train.
Mhm.
So, little peoples. On little peoples.
What if you're gonna move in the other side, Tom? Merong mga ano ba doon? Shed doon para maghintay ng people not fit. Pinahiga yung pasahero. Choo-choo! You're gonna make a sounds. Choo-choo!
Choo-choo. Mom, you know why they stopped the train?
Why?
Because they're going to pick up.
Like, going pick up what?
Sticking!
Passengers.
Heel.
Nahati. Nahati yung train.
It's actually.
Okay, that's the driver, Jay, on the ano.
Stop? Mom, look.
Choo-choo! Yan ang napagtuunan niya na laruin ngayon, guys. What's that?
Still almost.
Yeah, it's almost 79%. Nakita ko sa weather kung
My
mag-rain.
candle's almost. Look.
Wow. What you call that? What you call that?
I don't know. Mom, look.
That's crane, right? Crane.
Oh, wait, I forgot to get something. Wait. I forgot. Ay.
What you forgot?
A truck.
Truck for what?
Oh.
Halo-halo na yung mga laruan niya dyan, guys. Ganyan talagang bata. Makalat. Pero turuan naman natin silang
Look, it puts it in a truck.
mag-hipos. Clean
Mom, put it
up
in
ang
truck.
hipos, yeah? I don't think. Oh, okay. Delivery? Okay.
And it puts in the same train.
Yeah, tell them how to do it.
So you do this and it goes down.
Even though the peoples?
No.
Only
They'll have
the
stick
loads.
it. Look,
Okay.
like this thing.
They have street light also there. They have Christmas trees.
They don't have street light. They have light only and a signs and trees. Oh my god. Okay, so here's the next one. That's milk for delivery.
Hindi ka na-deliver milk too.
Yes.
Ayun guys. Crane
Oh wait,
atang
that's
tawag dyan.
gasoline.
Gasoline. Crane atang tawag dyan, di ba, Jay? Boom! Nahulog mo yung gasoline.
Everybody got incendiary.
Magbudok yan. Do it again. Put it slowly.
I forgot Hershey curb.
Where's your curb? What's that? A curb?
Yeah.
Okay, sit now. Delivery. Say delivery.
Delivery.
Tingnan yung ano ko guys, yung snake plants ko mataas pa sa TV. Minsan ko lang naman yung dinidiligan. Ilabas ko sana siya kanina. Dalawa sila. Doon ko ilagay sa tabi ng ano,
Mom, look.
ng hagdanan dito sa likod. Kaso lang, ano, baka mag-ibang kulay. Kasi yung nilabas ko, yung kihanging plants ko doon sa tabi ng
Hey,
mailbox, nag-ibang kulay.
This is the driver.
Driver of the truck. Okay, bye-bye ka na guys.
Bye, guys.
So, bye na guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribe. And don't skip ads. Please like. And take care always.